Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to remove members from a list on the X app. Whether you're updating your list to keep things more organized or just want to clean them up a bit, the process is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account that has the list you want to edit. Once the app is open, head over to the section where your lists are located. From here, choose the specific list that contains the member you'd like to remove. After you've opened the list, look for the option to Edit List. This is where you'll be able to adjust different details and settings associated with that list. Once inside, you'll see an option called Manage Members. Tap on it, and you'll get a complete view of everyone currently included in that list. From there, simply scroll until you find the person you'd like to remove. Next to their name, you'll see a Remove option. Tap on that, and they will instantly be taken off your list. It's as simple as that. You can repeat this step for as many people as needed, until the list looks exactly the way you want it to. This small update is really useful if you're someone who regularly curates lists to keep track of specific topics, interests, or communities. Over time, you may want to adjust these lists so they stay relevant, and knowing how to manage members quickly helps keep everything organized. Once you're satisfied with the changes, your updated list is ready to go. The great thing about this feature is that you stay in full control and can add or remove members whenever you need to, without any complications. And that's all it takes to remove members from a list on the X app. With just a few taps, you can fine-tune your feed and create a better browsing experience. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and try it out on your own lists today.